So welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. We're back again, and this is the third part of our Excel shortcut video. So in this video, you'll be learning about how to manage and organize your columns and rows. So if you are looking to make your Excel work very organized and easy to read, this is where you learn shortcuts that are useful for that operation. So let's dive into this video right away.
In this section of our powerful Excel shortcut series, I'll be starting with the shortcut that helps you to unhide hidden rows in your selected areas. As we all know that there are times when you're typing words that are beyond the box provided to you by Excel, and some of the words get tucked in. Simply click Ctrl plus Shift plus 9, and then you can unhide every hidden row. The second one we'll be looking at is Ctrl 9. Ctrl 9 helps you to hide your selected rows. So to keep your worksheet clutter free, you don't need certain rows to be visible. Just click Ctrl 9. Ctrl 0 helps you to hide the selected columns. It is a quick way to organize your view by hiding unnecessary information. The next one is Ctrl Shift plus semicolon. Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. It helps you to add a timestamp to your current document or to your active cell. It is very great for tracking when specific entries were made into your Excel worksheet. Another shortcut we're looking at today is Ctrl Shift and hash. Ctrl plus Shift plus hash. So this shortcut helps you to format your date as day, month, and year. It is a very simple shortcut for ensuring consistent date formatting in your data. The next shortcut here is Ctrl Shift C. Ctrl plus Shift plus C. So it helps you to unhide your rows in selected areas. So if you want to unhide any hidden row within your selected area, it's a quick way to review multiple hidden rows all at once. The next one here is Ctrl plus Shift plus space. So this shortcut helps you to select the entire rows. It is very handy when you need to apply formatting or changes to a whole row quickly. So you just select the entire row at once by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus space. Here again, we'll be looking at Ctrl plus Shift plus $sign. So it helps you to apply currency format. So you're working on a document and you need to apply currency format to selective cells. It is a very fast way for formatting financial data and to make it more readable. Here we'll be looking at Ctrl Shift and percentage sign. Ctrl plus Shift plus percentage sign. So it helps you to apply the percentage formatting to your document. Let's say in your rule you have typed 9 and you need to add percentage. Just click Ctrl Shift plus percentage after selecting that particular row. Then the last shortcut we'll be looking at is Ctrl Shift and Ctrl plus Shift plus and format. So it helps you to apply outline border. So if you want to apply outline border to your selected cells, it is very perfect for defining your selection of data. Another shortcut here is Ctrl plus Shift plus underscore. Ctrl plus Shift plus underscore. It helps you to remove outline border. So if you want to remove any outline borders you have applied before, use this to clean up your data presentation. So this is it. You already have it for column and row management shortcuts. These simple commands I've created for you can save you tons of time in organizing, formatting, and keeping data clean and professional. If this helped you, just give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.